Next on stage is a school that states they are the best every single week. Here to take us on a musical journey to Africa, here is Godfrey Stewart High School.
See to our eyes as we lived in apartheid.
Sechaba, di homo di fedile. Ba fedile li papa, ba sereti li pasa. Si timela si baset, ba feleti Johanna. Johanna. Masiani ba sitana, ba shamine Soweto. Masiani ba seti bali bangwe. Matata Africa. Iyo, sielele mama. Helele iyo, sielele mama. Nyama boy, alisini na mi. Ego dini wego li amadora felile. Ubisilu felile abasosi bezi mpipizi akataza yubulugu madola leyama yase Afrika iyo sielele mama uhelele iyo sielele mama.
Godfrey Stewart, good song. I like the sound that came from the choir. You just may win. Who knows?
Yeah, it's a nice. I love South African music, and I just felt like it could have been a little bit more dynamic, like with the pronunciation and the sounds, but it was very good nonetheless. So big up on yourself, Godfrey Stewart.
Very nice piece. I wasn't here the first time I did this. I'm glad I got to hear it. I think be careful sometimes when you're trying to employ dynamics, like getting softer, make sure it makes sense where you do it. Because what happened here where you went really soft is that you kind of robbed yourself of the power that you need, because this song is out of power and energy, right? But good job.
I'm so glad that Godfrey Stewart did this song again. It was one of my favorites in the earlier rounds. And I was telling these two young people about it because they were not here when you did it. And all I was trying to describe, I couldn't tell them what you did with the song. So now they hear for themselves and they agree with me. This is a great rendition, Godfrey Stewart. You have done very well through the whole competition, from the first round right through the whole competition. And you can relax now. You can relax and get ready to get your big check next week. Eh?